quick and easy breakfast recipe. Delicious and easy breakfast recipe. I'm going to teach you how to make mini pancake. If you're interested, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get updated of my new recipe. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. I aim to give you simple and delicious recipe as best as I can. So if you're interested, please do not forget to hit the like button on this video to get the courageous. So let's dive into it. I have a bottle, so I'm going to use this bottle to make my mini pancake. So I'm just going to put a hole into it. I'm using screwdriver. You can as well use knife and use anything to make a hole to the cover. So our bottle is ready. This is the outcome after everything. Let's dive into our mini pancake. I'm using a room temperature egg. I'm using 1 egg, so I'm going to give it a nice stir. If you want to make a room temperature egg, just put it in lukewarm water for 2 minutes and you have your room temperature egg. So I'm going to add my melted butter. I'm using 1 teaspoon as well. So I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. Then I'm going to go ahead and add milk. So all these ingredients will be in the description below, room temperature as well, the milk. So we are just going to combine our wet ingredients together until everything is well mixed. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar into it and a pinch of salt just to give it a nice taste. So I'm going to combine all ingredients as well. So go ahead and add half cup of all-purpose flour. I'm using all-purpose flour for this mini pancake. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix. If you've not liked this video, please hit the like button to encourage me to do more of easy and delicious breakfast recipe. So I'm going to let it rest for 30 minutes. So I'm going to cover it and leave it for 30 minutes, then we'll come back. So after 30 minutes, please do not forget to follow our Facebook page and as well search for Olayemi cooking on YouTube. So I just transfer it into the bottle. Let's go straight to the pan and start making our mini pancake. The pan is ready, just a low flame pan. Don't overheat your pan, you just need a little flame in your pan. So I'm just going to scoop my pancake into the pan. So I'm using the bottle as we prepared earlier. So this is the outcome. So we are going to allow this to cook for 2 minutes in both sides. You can as well do it 3 minutes. It all depends on the level of your flame. So I'm going to flip it to the other side as well. Have you subscribed to my channel? If not, please remember to subscribe to my channel and then notification bell so you get updated of my new recipe. I post new recipe weekly. So this is the outcome of our pancake. Our pancake is ready and it tastes really delicious. You can as well eat this with a warm cereal or just add honey. You can enjoy it with honey, and you can as well add your vegetables to it to enjoy this your mini pancake. Is a perfect mini pancake breakfast recipe, and as well it's common in TikTok. So everybody call this mini pancake series. So it's a perfect recipe. If you enjoy this video, please do not forget to share our recipe with your friends, and please give us a nice comment in the comment section. I really want to see more comment and more like to encourage us to do more of delicious breakfast recipe. And as well, do not forget to share this recipe with your loved ones on different social media, on Facebook, on YouTube. Just search for me on YouTube to get to my recipe, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel to encourage us to do more and hit the notification bell. You can as well give us a thumbs up. Do not forget to like us as well to encourage us to do more. You can as well check more of my recipe. I have so many recipe on Nigeria recipe, this chin recipe, and as well do not forget to check this our shrimp pizza, and I have so many recipes on smoothie. I guess I will see my next recipe, and please be safe out there.